Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to find duplicate entries in Excel. Okay, so if you want to find duplicate entry in Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Okay, so first here you will see all the names I have written. Okay, now I have to find which name is repeated in this sheet or which is duplicate. Okay, name. Okay, so what you have to do, so first you have to just select all the sheet. Okay, select all the sheets. Okay, now make sure that all sheet is selected. Okay, then what you have to do, here you will see condition formatting option. Okay, now just click on this condition formatting, and here you will see highlight cell rules. Just click on it, and here you will see duplicate values. Okay, click on it, and here you have to just classic icon set 2 3 color scale. You can choose all these things, and then here you have to just click on OK. Now you will see that these are the duplicate values. Okay, all the pink is duplicate values. Okay, so like this you can find or duplicate entries in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.